Hello everyone. In this video, let me solve few more advanced questions from exercise 3.7. And the first question that I have taken here is question number 3. Find the square root of 7,60,384. Use this to find the value of under root 76.0384 minus under root 0.760384. So in the first, we have to find the square root of this number, and we have to use the result whatever we get from the first step here in this expression and to calculate its value. Now to find the square root of 7,60,384, we follow the long division method, and in this case I am not going in details, so I have calculated the square root using long division method, and here I have got the square root of this number, which is 872. So 872 is the square root of 7,60,384. After finding the square root by long division method, we write the answer for the first part of the question. So square root of 7,60,384 is 872. Now we move on to the next part of the question, and in this part we have to find the value of this expression. So let me write this expression first. The first thing that we have to do here is we have to remove this decimal point. Now before removing the decimal point, we first count the number of digits in the decimal part. So in this number there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits in the decimal part, and in this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 digits in the decimal part. So in this number there are 4 digits, and in this number there are 6 digits in the decimal part. And then we remove the decimal point and we divide by a number with 1 and then 4 zeros, because it has 4 digits in the decimal part, and here as it has 6 digits in the decimal part, so we divide by 1 with 6 zeros. So altogether here will be under root 7,60,384 divided by 10,000, and here under root 7,60,384 divided by 10 lakh. Now here we separately write the square root for numerator and denominator, and here in the numerator we have to use this value, and here also the same value, and we have to find the square root of 10,000 and 10 lakh. So in order to find the square root of like this kind of a number, it is very easy. So here what we do is, altogether there are 4 zeros, so we remove the half of the zero, that is 2 zeros, then it will be 1 and 2 zeros, which is 100. So square root of 10,000 is 100, and similarly here there are 6 zeros, so we remove the half of the zeros, 3 zeros, and remaining will be 3 zeros and 1, and it will be 1000. So under root 7,60,384 is 872 divided by square root of 10,000 is 100 minus square root of 7,60,384 is 872. We are using this result, divided by square root of 10 lakh is 1000. And here we first do the LCM of 1000 and 100. Then the LCM will be 1000 only. And then here we multiply by 10. So it will be 8720 minus 872. So after subtraction, we will get 7848 divided by 1000. Then after dividing, we will get 7.848. So which is the answer for second part of the question number 3. Now let me solve question number 4, and the question is, find the square root of 3136 and 7569. Using these values, find the values of this expression. So at first let me find the square root of 3136 using long division method. So here I have calculated the square root using long division method, and here I have got 56. So the square root of 3136 is 56, and similarly let me find the square root of 7569 using long division method, and here is the calculation. So the answer is 87. The square root of 7569 is 87. Now we have to use this result in the second part to find the value of this expression. So first let me write the expression here. So this is the expression. Now we have to remove the decimal point from all the 4 numbers, and before removing the decimal point, we have to count the number of digits in the decimal part. Here in all the 4 numbers, the number of digits in the decimal part is 2. So after removing the decimal point from the first number, it will be square root 7569 divided by 100. So only 2 zeros are here because there are only 2 digits in the decimal part. Then similarly, after removing the decimal point from this number, it will be square root 3136 divided by 100. And here we have to write the same number, and then there is a minus sign and square root of 3136 by 100. Then we have to separately write the square root for numerator and denominator for all the 4 numbers. So in this way, we write the square root for separately numerator and denominator. Now the square root of these 2 numbers we have already found out, 87 and 56, and the square root of 100 is 10. So we can write 87 by 10, then plus sign, 56 by 10, and in the denominator 87 by 10 minus 56 by 10. Then here the LCM of 10 and 10 is 10. So in the numerator the LCM will be 10, and we add 87 with 56. And in the denominator the LCM will be same, and we need to subtract these 2 numbers, and we can write 87 minus 56 by 10. Then after simplification we will get 143 by 10, and in the denominator 31 by 10. And here we rearrange and write 143 into 10 divided by this 10 into 31. Then here both the 10 from numerator and denominator they cancel out, and remaining will be 143 by 31. So this is the answer for question number 4.